This equipment is an interchange purlin roll forming machine. This machine supports flexible punching setting adjustment. You can freely turn on or turn off the punching function as required. The rollers feature chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. We test each machine until it can produce products that meet the standards specified in the customer's drawings. The machine adopts roller quick conversion design for profile switching. It is professionally designed for producing C, Z, and U-type steel purlins. It employs a hydraulic drive system to automatically position, size, and cut the target product. Ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial roofing projects, it ensures professional and consistent results with every use. Steelmama siempre la ofrece la solución adecuada.